This video will talk through the ability to add existing items to a matrix item and adjust minimum and maximum levels to a matrix item. Go to the menu. Click on Items. Find the item you would like to view. Click on Edit. Scroll down to the existing items. If you need to add another item into the grid, click Add Existing Items. Find the product you would like to add and click the tick box in the left-hand column. Click Add Items. This will add the particular item into the matrix. You will need to assign a dimension to the item. Small, medium and large have already been used, so you will have to create another size for that item. Click Save Changes. Assign the dimension to the item that you've just added. Click Save Changes. This has added the new item into the existing matrix. As you scroll down the page, click on Edit, Reorder and Restock Points. This shows all the different stock levels for the items within the matrix. You have the ability here to adjust the minimum and maximum stock levels of those products. You may also assign a bin location to those products. Click Save Changes.